Hello guys! Do you know what is better or worse or good? Yes, in English you know what does it mean, but in Russian it's so useful words also. So you should know how to use this word and when you can use this word and how to pronounce them correct. So today I want to explain some interesting some interesting part from Russian grammar and from Russian words. So let's go. Хороший, it means good. I think you know that our any adjectives in Russian depends on noun. So what does it mean? It means that any adjective will describe a noun, and noun, if noun female, it will be different and the adjective, or if it's a male, also it's different and, or neuter. So I have to memorize you that in Russian we have 3 gender, and it's so important in our grammar, and to sound grammatically correct you have to memorize it and remember it when you're speaking Russian. So let's start from the word хороший. It means good. So okay, it's so simple word, but you should know how to use them in Russian. Good, any word, has 2 different sides. So it can be better or worse, right? From the word хороший, you can see 2 different words, but to show what do you prefer or you don't like, you should use these 2 different words, but starting from the word хороший. Okay, хороший, good, can be word better, it will be лучший. So let's compare these 2 words, хороший, лучший. Хороший is like a good, better, it's like лучше. But we have another part, this word, it's a хуже, хуже. Хуже, it means worse, okay? So antonym from the word лучше will be хуже. Obvious, isn't it? So, but any these words, 3 of them, have different, and when you are put together this word adjective to with any noun. So noun, for example, noun let's say lampa, lamp, it's a female word in Russian. Okay, in English, if it's not a person, it's like neuter. It's it. Lampa means it. But in Russian, you should know that we have any object can be different with a different gender. For example, lampa for us, it's female. Why it's so important? Because it will be influence on the end and in the adjective. Adjective лучше, лучше, close by the word lampa, change their end. For example, лучшая лампа can be that. Because lampa, female, it means at the end of this adjective will be ая. Лучшая лампа. But for example, if you want to describe, I don't know, home, the word home, дом, дом, Dom you will describe differently. In Russian, dom, it's a male word, so should be, you have to use лучший, I at the end, if you're describing something, some word with a male gender. So, dom, male, it means лучший, I at the end. Or лучшее, sorry, here, лучшее, I don't know, окно, for example, окно, it means window, so лучшее окно, the best, let's say, window. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but close to the word noun with a neuter gender will be ye, so double ye at the end on this word. Лучшее окно. So let's move on to the word хороший. Хороший, if you want to describe something also, let's say дом, okay, you can say хороший дом, because дом it's a male word. If лампа, хорошая, or for example something like окно, or I don't know, it doesn't matter, maybe coat, пальто, can be ye or ye at the end, or ye, like here, like that. I can put them together. So, and let's say worse. Хуже. So, худший, худшая, or худшее. Also, it depends on the noun. Will be you can pick these different words. So aya at the end, ye, or I. It depends on the noun close by. Okay. So let's see that it's not just how to say everything I told you about that, not just this information you need to understand, just you have to understand it first, instead just memorize. Okay, because if for you it's like a rhyme, you have to talking and memorizing and without understanding, it's like a not good idea, because лучший путь, the best way to speak Russian, it's understand Russian grammar. I think it's not just with Russian language. So if you have any questions, I'm here always for you. So ask me then. See you next time.